Hola. Bienvenidos a Semana 2, Week 2 de Español. Muy bien, la introducción. I want to make sure that you have everything that you need for this week, and I need you to do some stuff before you start looking at the videos. Alright, you should have, as always, your weekly log. Yay! So that you can show me everything you did, because I would be very interested and excited to see that. Alright, and then I would like you should have a vocabulary sheet, because this week we're learning all the colors. There we go. So you should have that. And you should have a sheet that looks like this. That's on cardstock, so that you can cut those out. Those you can use for flashcards, and you're also going to need those for the lessons that we're going to do, so for the videos. I'll talk about that more in a minute. You should have a sheet like this with the numbers, and you should have 2 sheets with these nice faces. Okay, so I need to, before I talk about anything else, we're going to let's look at this vocab sheet real quick. And I'll tell you what I need you to do with it. Okay, so you have all the words and the colors here. So I want you to write, where you have your color squares, I want you to write on the back of there. First, you need to cut them out, and then on each one on the back, write the correct Spanish word. Okay? If you can't write very well yet, just have your mom or dad help you. So, let's see. Here's the red one. You write rojo. Rojo. See? So on this red one, I want you to write rojo. On the back of the yellow one, I want you to write amarillo. Okay? You don't need to know how to pronounce them right now. That's what we're going to work on for the week. But right now I just want you to write it, cut them out, and then write it on the back, because you're going to need those. In the videos I'm going to ask you to show me your black card. Show me your yellow card. So you need to do that before you watch the videos. Alright, and now I want you to look at this colors sheet for a minute. Alright, there's some colors here that are on the left side of your sheet, and then there's some colors here on the right side of the sheet. Alright, now all these colors on the left side of the sheet, if you notice, they have rojo, and then they have a slash with an A. Okay, here amarillo / amarilla. So rojo, or you could say roja. Amarillo, or you could say amarilla. Anaranjado, or you can say anaranjada. Morado or morada. Negro, negra. Blanco, blanca. Rosado, rosada. That's because in Spanish, words have something that we call, it's a fancy word called gender. And that means they're like gender, my gender, I'm a girl. Right? So what are you? Are you a boy or a girl? That's your gender. Whatever you are is your gender. Okay? In Spanish, when you have words that are boys, they have a boy gender, they have a big O. Oh, everybody say that. Say, oh, masculino, masculine, masculino. But if we have a word that is a girl, we say, ah. See, that's a pretty A. Femenina, femenina. Muy bien. Oh, I better write. I'm going to do it a little bit nicer here. ¿Dónde está mi trapo? Tenemos masculino, masculino y femenina. Femenina. Oh, femenina. Masculino, masculino. Femenina. Femenina. Oh, femenina. Bien. Excelente. Entonces, so if you were talking about a girl, see? And you were saying the girl, this you're calling, say she was red, see? Oh, a strawberry shortcake is it rojo, masculino, or is it roja, femenina? Strawberry shortcake is roja, roja. Muy bien, but what if we have a boy? If we have a boy, we have, oh, Elmo. Is it Elmo? Es rojo or is it roja? It's rojo. Elmo es rojo. Strawberry shortcake is roja. Elmo es rojo. So, don't worry about it if you don't quite get it yet, because we're going to practice that more during the week, okay? But what I need you to do right now is, you have your two sheets, and see, there's a boy and a girl. Boy and a girl. So, there's a boy and a girl, and I want you to take each color, see? Take all the colors on your sheet, and then I want you to color one boy. So you start with red, color one boy red and one girl red. Okay? And then yellow, color one boy yellow and one girl yellow. Okay? I want you to do that for all of the colors. Alright? Now, we just talked about how when we have the describing word or the adjective ending in O, then if it's a girl, if we have a girl, we change it to ah, ah, o, ah. Okay? On this side, these colors, they don't end in O. We have verde, café, gris, azul. They don't end in O. So they just stay the same. But I want you to, so when you say the girl is green, you say the same as when you say the boy is green. See? Él es verde. El chico es verde. La chica es verde. It's the same. Okay? Don't worry about it for now. We're going to work on it during the week. Okay? Hopefully by the end of the week. And if you still don't understand, that's okay. The next time that we go over this, it'll sink in more and more. This is the first time you heard it. So just relax. It's not important if you didn't quite get it. The next time you hear it, it might be a little bit more familiar and maybe you'll get it. Okay? Muy bien. So, but for sure, okay, cut out your things, write the names on the back. Write the words on the back. Color every single color, even the ones on both sides, all the colors. That's why I gave you two sheets, so that you can do all of the colors. There should be one color for the boy, one color for the girl. I want you to do that for all of them. Okay? And go ahead and cut out your numbers too. Okay, you don't need to write anything on the back of those, that's fine. Just cut them out. Okay, and that is all. Nos vemos. Okay, now watch the first video for the week after you've got your stuff cut out and all of your stuff written on there. Then go ahead and watch the next one, the first one for the week. Alright, adios!